This story takes place mostly in the grocery and household goods section. A busy supermarket, filled with shelves of products and customers moving about. Characters. A man as customer. A 32-year-old man, friendly and easygoing. A women employee of supermarket. A 30-year-old woman, kind and helpful, with a good sense of humor. Scene. The supermarket aisle. Customer the supermarket, pushing a cart.
All right, just need a few things for dinner tonight. Eggs, bread, milk, and laundry detergent. Should be easy.
Customer grabs a basket and begins moving down the aisles. He finds most of the items but struggles with the laundry detergent.
Why are there so many types of detergent? Liquid, powder, pods?
He looks confused, reading the labels and comparing different options. He picks up one, then another, unsure of which to choose. At this point, supermarket employee enters the aisle, pushing her cart and noticing customers struggle.
Need some help with that?
Yeah, actually, I had no idea choosing laundry detergent could be so complicated.
Oh, I know. It can be a bit overwhelming with all the options. What are you looking for?
Honestly, I'm just looking for something that'll clean my clothes without turning them into cardboard. And, it needs to smell decent too.
Good plan. In that case, I'd recommend this one. It's good for all types of clothes, gentle on fabrics, and it smells nice, like fresh linen.
That sounds perfect. Thanks. You seem like you've done this before.
Yeah, let's just say I've had my fair share of laundry disasters. I once bought a detergent that smelled like strawberries. Not the best choice for towels.
Strawberry-scented towels? Yeah, that sounds interesting.
They both share a light laugh. Customer continues down the aisle with employee beside him. As they approach the checkout, customer suddenly stops and looks panicked.
Wait, I forgot the bread.
Happens to the best of us. Bread aisles just back that way.
You know, I think I'm losing my shopping skills.
No worries, I'll hold your spot in line if you want.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver. Got it.
That was quick. You're getting better already.
Maybe there's hope for me yet.
Well, I hope the rest of your shopping goes smoothly. No more forgetting things.
I'll do my best. Thanks again for the detergent tip and for saving my place in line. Maybe I'll see you here again sometime.
Could be. Supermarkets are like magnets for forgotten items.
They wave and leave, their short but friendly encounter leaving both in good spirits.